What is a hypothesis? Some people think that a hypothesis is the same thing as a question, but it's not. A hypothesis is not a question. A hypothesis is actually a statement. It's a statement that's created by doing some scientific thinking. So thinking about the problem that you're about to test, what do you think might happen? And why do you think it might happen? A hypothesis also has to be able to be tested using a scientific experiment. Let's have a look at an example. So I want to know if ice that's crushed up melts quicker or slower than ice that's not crushed up. So I have a think about it and maybe do a bit of research, and I come up with the idea that maybe because the ice that's crushed up has a bigger surface area, it's probably more likely to melt quicker because some of the heat can get into those little areas. So I come up with a hypothesis. My hypothesis is a statement that says the more crushed the ice is, the quicker it will melt. But I need to add a bit more because I've done a bit of research. So I can say that this is because there is a bigger surface area for the heat to reach the ice and melt it. So I've used there a statement, and going back to our original rules, I've used a statement, the more crushed the ice is, the quicker it will melt. I've done some scientific thinking to come up with a reason why that might be. And this hypothesis, the more crushed the ice is, the quicker it will melt, can be tested using a scientific experiment. So that is a hypothesis.